Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ka Assembly Worldwide Healing Church Shillong benta kasngi kashpodrik yayong arjar arpunriu kelapan pendapat ba lingba kilat pathai kubor bagan Pynlong ya kajinga seng ba nega third Assembly General Kam Shillong Healing Festival arajar arpunriu kinong penyat ketika Assembly Worldwide Healing Church kila pentip ba ketika Assembly General Kam Shillong Healing Festival arajar arpunriu kanong Hamadan Golfing Ground kabanlong laisngi kata naduk ka khat nyo khat pra haduk khat khandai tarik menta ubnai u Reverend JS Maulong unsalong udong yalap bi ka ktian ublei kumta ka Worldwide Healing Church kalawer bat khot ngobhai ki pat ba ki manajan ban ajngai bakinwan ban sakhi hakide ki sngi.
First and foremost, I would like to express my gratitude and thanks to all the press houses who are here today and also to the Shillong Press Club. We, the Assembly Worldwide Healing Church, we are happy to announce that we will be organizing the Shillong Healing Festival come General Assembly 2026. That is on the 17th, 18th and 19th April 2026 at Golfing Ground, where the anointed servant of God, Pastor J.S. Maulong, will be ministering the word. In this Shillong Healing Festival, we will be praying for the sick. We will be praying for all those who are in needs and all those who are in bondage. Every day, that is right from 10 a.m. in the morning till in the evening, and all the anointed servant of God will be there, will be praying for all those who are in need. Some of the highlights of this healing festival is that we'll be having the praise fiesta that is on 17-18 from 1 p.m. onwards. And different praise and worship team from different churches and ministries, they will be taking part in this praise fiesta. The healing festival will be every day in the evening, that is at 4 p.m. On the 18th, that is being a Saturday, there will also be a teaching session at around 10 a.m. in the morning. And on 19th, which is the Sunday, the healing festival will be at 10:30 in the morning, that is the first service. And in the evening, it will be at 4 p.m. So we invite each and every one of you to kindly join us. Bring your family, bring your loved ones, bring your friends, and especially those who need prayer. God bless you and Jesus loves you.
Wan chingin gaji sang assembly kabangin Pynlong haka kanyo katra kat kendai Tarik matauna yang dia po madan golfing madan saw kabangin jukan dia ngi dap da kacing kemen kabakrau ngi penpau ro kacing sungu yublei baulan ai ya kene kalat ngi Pynlong gaji sang assembly bani sutanat ru bani kemen ru ban penpana haki baro ban petip sapi baro ki nong sung chongka nong ba Shillong ki nong sung chongka ri khasi chantia bat chongka celami klia ki baro kuwe ki Pynlong ki jongplei baro ki brabangai baro ki bat pediang yuci sukres bat kumcuk ki bom bat pediang yuci sukres ki khat sopha yepi sha kan ga jingi sang assembly ka bangin Pynlong ka ba kenthukru ya ka healing festival healing celebration ka ba ngindon gani ga jingdwai ja ka jingpen khia ti ni sokamen da ka donut ka ba kamen da ka donut ka ba snow red ni khat yepi sha kan ga jingi sang assembly khan nyau khat pra khat khandai kat bala pin yele ban poi sha kan ga jingi sang hang ni po madan ko fling ban hakan ga jingi sang na do ka si ka paning kong na do khan nyau tring ngindon ngila sedang ni kan ga jingdwai ka bangin sedang na do shipho ba jemen stem hang thi te baro ki badan kam ya ka jingdwai ki badan ka jingpang ka sistem ki badan ka jing ka jingale ka jing em ki ba sate sakhum ha ki jingbam jingdi ki basniu buon ngot phang ni tep ba ki ba kwa ban like your like no na drugs ba kwa ban your like na ka jingte ka tiat ki jing di kenca ba ki jingbam jingdi basniu ndai kimla dala dia ki khat sabai pi ka bakum kan ka por ya ka bakwan ki don ki syakri ki jongplei ki bala pen sle borba daw men se bakoi kin duai epi pinyo ka jingpelai ha kan ga jaka ka jingduai kala sedang nado sipo ba je mestem man la asni sipo ba je mestem ki nong duai ki ladon ki nong yeslok Kiban selok EP kiban ai ke tim ke jong blai kila don nadu si baci ter bad kan don ru ga por si baci kanika cingyar wai lang ka cing mani ka cing ro yu blai lagi keluhun balang baper kabi khot ka pres festa ha ka jaka ka ba ka cing wai ka cing luai ka cing kemen ka cing pot ka cing tam khmat jong blai ka badap ka cing pesle Paci pun ki lengkor ki jong paman ken kedia ka bukum kate por la da piwan ya ka bani don rangkat ha kate ka madan ti si pun hi ki kamba ki ba minget ska ba piyoma ki cing penkhia ki cing pelai ki ba susi ku boleh un ai ki cing kemen ye pi ti da ka don wot ka ba kemen namar ba ngiru ilayo ya ka cing pelai ilayo ki cing penem ni kuat ba paru lang ni don bentalang ha ka bukum kane ka festival haga hukum kane ka jinga sang assembly ka badan ya ka jingle ku jong blai ha kane ka